Backpack ready, time to go. Life is calling, I just know. Sun on my face, wind in the air. With you I can go anywhere. No big plans, just drive along. The world feels right where we belong. In our camper, nice and slow. Every moment starts to glow. Just run away, don't look behind. On the road we feel alive. Laugh and love until we're tired. Tomorrow we'll just improvise. Ocean view, coffee in hand.
Hi, welcome to our channel. We arrived at a small and welcoming campsite in Tiznit, Camping Municipal of Tiznit, just a short walk from a very special place. Right nearby, we found Momo Tapissier Upholstery, a local upholstery workshop known for its craftsmanship and warm hospitality. We decided to give our camper a little upgrade, from fabric to leather, and trusted Momo and his team to reupholster our cushions and front seats. But what truly makes this place special is not just the work, it's the people. You can drop in at any time and be greeted with genuine smiles by the very team who bring everything to life. The result? Absolutely stunning. Everything now looks sleek, fresh, and beautifully finished. You can really see the care and attention in every detail. In our opinion, he's simply the best in Morocco. Incredible work, amazing hospitality, and above all, a truly wonderful person. We all love Momo. So, if you ever passing through Tiznit and thinking about upgrading your camper, don't hesitate it. Come and visit Momo. And then, something we didn't expect. On Friday, Momo invited us to share a traditional couscous meal with him. A simple gesture that turned into one of those unforgettable travel moments. While we were waiting, we explored Tiznit, known for its ancient walls and the silver jewellery, a calm, authentic town full of charm. Strolling through Tiznit, we discovered local markets, friendly faces, and a relaxed pace that truly reflects authentic Moroccan life. It's worth a visit.